Hello, guys, welcome to Knowledge World. Here we are going to learn again related to the Gmail features. In this feature, we will see like how we can forward the emails from one Gmail to another Gmail. I'm not talking about sending one email to another email. I'm just setting up the forwarding each and every email, or with the filters you can select the things and every email would move to the another email. So in previous one we learned about the filters. This one now we are going to go on the forwarding, that is permanent forwarding, which you can set up and each and every email would go to the second one. So let's see how it works. You will go to this gear icon that is called settings. You will click on that, see all settings, forward and POP IMAP, add a forwarding email. You will write down that email where you want forwarding. It should be logged in already. Next, proceed. Okay. So that one Gmail notification would go to that email address with this confirmation code. You will take this confirmation code and you will enter here. You will verify this. When you will verify, so now this email should be visible here in this list. This one it is coming. So if I want to forward each and every email, so I would click here and then I will go down and save. So it means each and every email from this email to that email would go. Any email which is coming here now would come here too. So this is something general forwarding of the emails which you can do anytime from one to another email, or you are using five emails. So for four emails forwarding you can set up to one email to your main email, and you can see what's going on and what are the emails coming. And it is some in some companies it is used for tracking the emails of the employees as well. So you can use in your way, whatever way you find more helpful to you. And related to the forwarding, I would guide more things, what are the options you can use here. So thanks for watching. For now, please like and subscribe the channel. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment sections. I would try to help you in the next video. Thank you.